Yeah, welcome to Dynamic Simulation and Optimization process course. This is a three-layered course, which is a build-up from the basic level, level number one, advanced level number two, as well as the coaching or mentorship level number three. So I'm going to take you through the uh, training program. So basically, this training program is going to be based on the one of the best dynamics simulation softwares called CADSIM Plus. So on the screen, on the screens, you can see the CADSIM Plus user interface. This is a crashing and milling circuit. I'm going to take you through this live session about the software. The objectives that we are going to cover in this software. So, in a brief nutshell, this dynamic process simulation training course is very much intensive. It's a hands-on program that is designed to equip mineral processing professionals with world-class skills in flowsheet modeling, dynamic simulation, digital process control, as well as visual commissioning. This course is going to focus on CADSIM Plus, which is one of the industry's leading dynamic simulation platforms for solving real-world mineral processing applications, enabling participants to design, troubleshoot, optimize, and digitally validate plant performance. So this is going to be an expert-led course, instructor-led, with live demonstrations and guided exercises. Our trainees, they're expected to move from foundational interface navigation to full digital twin development. The course integrates process engineering with instrumentation and advanced control, as well as digital transformation techniques to help participants bridge that gap between plant design and commissioning of operations. So before we dive much into the agenda, allow me to demonstrate to you what we're going to cover. So the first part is going to be the navigation of CADSIM Plus user interface. We're going to focus much on the mineral processing library, but I'm going to expose you to all other libraries that are in CADSIM Plus. We are going to see how we can do model setup, how we can do some bit of animations. Perhaps someone is asking, what are animations and how are they going to help me? So let me just show you the user interface for CADSIM Plus. So this is the copper heap model in CADSIM Plus. And I'm going to run the model. I'm now in the simulation environment. I'm now running the model. So as you can see, you can make some pickings there that there is a bit of some animations that are going through, and our lines, process lines are live. See, this is simulation environment. So just to show you the flow sheet. our pregnant solution getting into the pregnant leach solution tank. We can also estimate the performance of the heap leach circuit. So this is the PLS. This is roughnet. You can input stoichiometry. Let me show you another flow sheet. So this is flow sheet that we are currently building. Let me the booster pumps. Okay, let me show you another flow sheet. So here, this is let me try to run. These are computer-based manuals. So we're going to show also the dynamic data exchange and how to set up these between your Excel and your CADSIM Plus. Right, so this is going to be a very much interesting course as we demonstrate the power of this dynamic simulator. Also looking at tank control. Yeah. So this is the user interface that we are going to be exploring. So in the basics level, we're going to show you how to effectively navigate the user interface, how to navigate different mineral processing libraries in CADSIM Plus, and also how to build up circuits in CADSIM Plus, how to incorporate animation, and also process control, tuning, and setting up of PID controllers, right? How to incorporate piping and instrumentation diagrams into CADSIM Plus. The beauty about this software is that you can even convert your traditional P&ID diagrams into live simulations, like I've been showing you. So all these concepts, we are going to be covering those from level number 1 up to level number 3. So at the end of these training courses, you'll be able to navigate CADSIM Plus and work with the mineral processing libraries in the CADSIM Plus. You'll be able to build complete plant models, which includes combination in different hydromet and pyromet circuits from scratch. So, because we're going to teach you all the skills and knowledge about CADSIM Plus and how we can be able to apply it and build the models that we have been showing you, right? So there are a lot of concepts to be learned. PID controllers, tuning and setting them up, design control logic, as well as the implementation of DCS style process control. So the people whom we strongly encourage to join this course includes the process guys, metallurgists, plant engineers, plant operators, as well as supervisors. We strongly also encourage plant process designers or engineers in the EPCM companies. We strongly encourage simulation experts to join this course to try out this tool. We strongly encourage also the process control and instrumentation guys, the DCS and PLS engineers to join this course. So the beauty about this course is that we take you from complete beginner up to the expert level. So Portfolio Consulting is structured this course into 3 levels. Level number 1 is the basics or foundations level, whereby you learn the basics, you get hands-on with the interface, build simple models, build dynamic simulation, incorporating all the concepts for process control, dealing with the simple P and IDs, just to get the skills inculcated into our very much new trainees at the very beginning of the basics level. Then we build up to level number 2, whereby we build realistic mineral processing plant models, full models with the full control logic, dynamic behavior, and engineering calculations. So in level number 2, we'll be building those circuits that we have been showing you and incorporating advanced concepts into the model. At level number 3, we'll be looking at problem solving. This one will be a bit lengthy in time. This is going to be between 6 to 8 months of mentorship and problem solving. This one we're going to look at some case studies that we're going to solve. So our goal is to convert even complete beginners to expert, hands-on driven process simulation experts. So if you would want to be converted into a hands-on simulation expert, we strongly encourage you to join, starting with our level 1, progressing to level 2, and up to the mentorship level. So this is just a repetition of the level 1 basics foundations, what we will cover at level number 1. So this will be to do with the interface, setting up the models, as well as dealing with PIDs, dealing with PNIDs, including charting, animations, data visualizations in CADSIM Plus. So here we're going to use examples to do with the comminution, electrowinning, flotation, to demonstrate how you go about it. Level 2, like I said, is the building of more complex full flow sheets to do with comminution beneficiation, whereby we'll be showing you how to come up with the flow sheets, complex flow sheets, like the ones that I'm showing you. So in level number 2, you'll be able to set up flow sheets like these ones. Level number 3 is the expert or mentorship level. We'll be looking at diving much into the high-end application of CADSIM Plus, and also using problem projects which are focused on problem solving. So we'll be looking at how to build computer-based manuals, how to join CADSIM Plus with the DCS, and also how to do DCS checkout with the CADSIM Plus, and also advanced applications of CADSIM Plus for digital twin development, and also things like visual commissioning, operator training, etc. So this would be the high-end use of CADSIM Plus for level number 3. So someone will be asking, why is it a 3-level structure and why does it matter? So as part of your consultants, our aim is to build capacity in a more transformational way through a hands-on approach. So progressive learning and competence building is one of the things that we look into. So we value starting from simple concepts and gradually increasing complexity, which helps to ensure a strong foundation before tackling advanced or expert tasks. So level number 1 will be focused on building capacity at the very start using simple concepts, and we take it gradually, increasing complexity up to level number 3. So we, as part of your consulting, we understand that flexibility for different backgrounds is of paramount importance. So our beginners can start from level number 1, while experienced engineers can skip directly to level number 2 or 3, depending on their prior knowledge. So this is a 3-level structure which can fit a complete beginner or an expert. Everyone can fit into this program. So we also look at the scalable skills for industrial needs. We look at the real-world industrial plans. So we build from basic simulation for educational or small-scale tasks to full digital twin development for real-world industrial plans. So also of importance to us is the support for knowledge transfer and organizational capacity building. For example, level number 3, it enables mentorship and as well as consulting, allowing this to fit into different corporate needs rather than solely focusing just on individuals. So someone can ask, what are the requirements for me to join this course? How can I join this course? What are the prerequisites? So one of the first requirements that you need to have is your laptop or your computer, right? Because like I said, this is going to be hands-on. So you'd need your laptop. So we'll be able to install CADSIM Plus into the laptop. The bigger laptop, the better. But with CADSIM Plus, it can run in any machine, and the only limitation will be the speed of your machine. Like I've been showing you on my machine, it's running. Sometimes a model can run 21,000 faster than the real process. But if you try to run this model on maybe a Core i5, 8 gig RAM laptop, maybe it can run maybe a third of my laptop that I'm using. So we encourage you to have a laptop and also internet connection. This course, most of the resources will be embedded in Pathfield's learning management software, so whereby when you register, you are given credentials to log in at any given time and access the pre-recorded videos and access the documents and module files in the learning management system. So you would need internet connection to access your assignments, as well as checking the progress with your instructor. So internet connection is a must. Also, our courses, we couple the learning management system with the scheduled live sessions, meaning that during the course of the training program, you can be able to book live Zoom sessions or Google Meet sessions with your instructor to understand some concepts and to get some demonstrations. You also need a running Microsoft Office suite. And also we strongly encourage that if you want to join, if you're a complete beginner, you join level number 1. But if you are not a complete beginner, you go into level number 2 or level number 3. But like I've mentioned before, these are a build up. Level number 1, level number 2 is a build up of level number 1 on level number 1. And level number 3 is a build up on level 1 and level number 2. Also, the access to the software, we will provide CADSIM Plus demo version, but we also have got plans to provide you with either a monthly, biannual, or annual or a perpetual license which we can provide at a fee, right? So if you're a corporate and you would want to test CADSIM Plus for, let's say, 3 months or half a year, we can be able to provide you with that alongside the training. So our registration fees at a promotional level 1 is going for 500, level 2 is going for 750 USD, and level 3 is going for 3.8, which can be paid in installments. So for company bookings, we also provide custom-made trainings or company-specific training courses, right? So you can contact our team and provide your details and your training needs, the number of trainees, and if you wish to have an online training scheduled for your team or a physical on-site training scheduled for your team, just let us know. We can be able to assist you with that. So these are our details. You can contact our team at any given time. So to enroll, you can actually send us your details on the emails provided, and we can actually set up your learning management system platform credentials, which we can share with you upon registration and kickstart the training.